Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry 32.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now.
Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry 32. And guess what time it is? I guess you saw from the title. It is Dear Darkberry time once again. So let's just dive right into it, okay? It says, I have been estranged from my cousin for several years, and I would like to reestablish the relationship. We were once very close, but I pulled away because the relationship became very stressful, and I found that she betrayed my trust several times. How would you go about reconnecting? Okay. This is family. This is family, y'all. So it's so funny that I actually saved this one for this period of time because I just I'm kind of like I got some information and I'm starting to come to realizations for myself um, about people in your life and how to how to handle them. Um, so on Friday, you guys are gonna see a video that I'm gonna put up, and it's called a master closet redo. I redid my master closet, so you'll see that on Friday. And as I was going through my closet, you're gonna hear me several times saying it doesn't make me happy. If it doesn't make me happy, then I'm gonna get rid of it. Now I know you guys saying, "Well, Karen, that's material things. That's not a family member." Y'all, can I just say this? Sometimes you I'm sorry, but sometimes you need to say to some people. Some people can make you feel bad too. Because apparently this cousin has betrayed her several times. I don't know what kind of betrayal. I don't know what it was. But if it had to be something enough for this person to write me, okay? To let me know, hey, I got an issue. Now, having said that, because sometimes you do have to just keep people where they are. Like, hey, I love you. Bye. I love you. You my blood. I love you. You stay at arm's length. You don't always have to bring them in. Because I'm going to tell you, that's the one thing, like I actually see a therapist. Surprise. I actually see a therapist. So a lot of times when I used to go, like this is my first time seeing a therapist where I'm on a regular. Every 2 weeks I'm seeing a therapist. Gotta talk, gotta talk, gotta talk. Help me out, help me out. I want to get better. I want to be better. But prior to that, I was always told when I would go to a counselor here and there that I had issues with boundaries. I let people all the way in. All you can know everything about me. I didn't have any kind of trust issues. Come on in. And then when I started telling these counselors that, they were like, almost everybody came back. You got boundary issues, honey. Everybody don't need to know everything. So you don't have to always have everybody right here. I understand that y'all used to be close. I used to be close to a lot of cousins too. When I was a little girl, I moved away, went to the military, came back. They've gone on with their lives, but when we get together, we have a good time. But they're not a constant in my life. They're not constants. But having said all that, what I also want to say is if this cousin has come to you, or if you bring this to your cousin and your cousin is actually receptive, then okay. There's nothing wrong with trying a little bit at a time. Don't throw your all in there now. Don't look, excuse my language, don't be a fool. Don't be a fool. Ain't nothing wrong with protecting you. I am learning that. There is nothing wrong with protecting you. God gave you your life. Like he did this for, this is you. There ain't no other you. Like there's no other me. And that's probably one reason why I'm back on YouTube, because I want to start concentrating on things that make me happy. And that's why you guys probably see me going full force on this whole YouTube thing. I am like putting my all into it, you know? Anytime I have some free time, I'm like thinking of ideas, and I redid my vanity, and I'm not done with this yet, but I redid my vanity so that I can have space to actually work. I used to cry, be all on that couch and not comfortable and stuff. And I'm like, no, come on, girl. Come on, girl. Do your thing. Do your thing for YouTube. Do your thing for yourself. This is what makes me happy. Creating makes me happy. Redoing my home makes me happy. So I think a lot of times you have to do things in your life that is going to make you happy. Now don't do it because you got pressure from auntie and uncle. Y'all sure need to get along. Y'all sure. I love my cousin. Right where she at. Or he at. I don't know if it's, did I say he or she? I don't know. It doesn't say. But anyway, he or she. I love them. But we can't spend a lot of time together. Because, see, they betrayed me. I don't have time for that. So, I say personally, reconnect. There's nothing wrong with that because you're family. You love them. But be cautious. Especially if they've betrayed you several times. Okay? You said it several times. Don't be a fool. That's the way I would handle it. That is the exact way I would handle it. Like, I'm not going to give y'all advice that I wouldn't give myself. Sorry, y'all, my sports bro. Your girl trying to keep up, trying to get that exercise going. But I wouldn't give you advice that I didn't give myself. And that's what I would do. Yeah, I love my family. Like I said, I'm the one that had problem with boundaries. I let everybody in. But then I had to learn. Not everybody needs to be in. And if they are, they don't have to be in all the time. Sometimes you outgrow people. You have to think about that. It's not necessarily like, oh, I don't want to be around you. Sometimes you just outgrow people. And sometimes you have to be okay with that. You have to be okay with that. When you see them at the family reunion, hey girl, how was so-and-so? You've been on a trip lately? How was that? I heard that mama said that you did, and you know how to do it. And it's not being fake or phony. It's just you being you. It really is. It's you being you, protecting yourself. Okay, let me give y'all this analogy. My therapist told me this. She said that, say for instance, you have a favorite football team. Okay? For me, it's the San Francisco 49ers. Go Niners. Always has been. So for me, it's the San Francisco 49ers. And I got tickets to go see the 49ers. I'm psyched. I'm ready, honey. Pandemic is over. I can go see them live. Let's go do it. Come on, Earl. Let's go. And then all of a sudden, somebody comes in and say, well, I know you like the Niners, but the Colts is over here playing. We should go to the Colts. My brother's gonna like that. If he watches my video, he'll love that. My brother loves the Colts. So no, let's go to this game over here. You're gonna be like, you done lost your mind. I love the 49ers. I ain't going over here to the Colts. I'm not doing that. And I say all that because it's the same with yourself. Fight for yourself. You're your own team. When she told me that, I was like, a light bulb came on. Like, whoa, that is true. Because I'd be like, oh, I'm going to see my Niners. Y'all, I'm going to tell y'all this. And I know my best friend don't I know she going to hurt me for this. But she knew I did it. Like, I'm not hiding anything from her. But I missed her wedding because, well, it was a whole thing. It was like the Niners was playing, and I think Earl had already got the tickets, and then she decided that she chose her wedding date and I didn't go because we had tickets. But then I went to the after party. I was at the after party, but I didn't go to the actual wedding. So now I'm not saying be kind of like that selfish. It was a timing thing. It was a timing thing. But you have to fight for you. You're your team. Fight for your team like you would fight for any other thing that you like to do. That's what I think. So family is great. Love family. We didn't pick our family. We pick our friends. That's probably why we get along with our friends so well. I'm not. I love my family. Y'all know. I mean, this pandemic is putting a big damper on me being around my family. I love hanging out with my friends, especially my brothers and my sister-in-laws. Oh my God, we have so much fun. We have get-togethers and cook. They're like I miss them. I miss it. But guess what? You got to take care of you. And that's what my brothers, they tell me, hey, we know you're afraid of this whole coronavirus thing. Don't worry about it. Stay home. Do you. Take care of you. And that's what you need to do. This particular person needs to take care of themselves. Because you're your only team. So I say that because, yeah, like I said, we love family. And of course, we want to be close to them. We don't want no disconnect. But make sure that you're going to be accepted. And make sure that you don't have to worry about those things that have been happening to you in the past with this person. No one likes to be betrayed. And I don't think you should enter back into a relationship. Relationships are hard already. I don't care what kind of relationship you in. Brother, sister, mama, daughter, uh, cousins, aunt. I don't care. They're already difficult. Husband and wife. Those relationships are very difficult. So when you throw in craziness, betrayal, and all that, that's even worse. It's hard. So why I say don't choose it if it's going to be detrimental to you. And of course, everybody's like, "Oh, well, I can get over it. It's no problem." It is a problem because it don't make you feel happy, and we all have control over that. We have free will. We have free will, just like they had free will when they betrayed you. You got free will to say, you know what, not this time, or yeah, girl, we good. Yeah, we can go to lunch. But as far as like hanging all the time like we used to, maybe not so much, not yet, not until I can see that you've maybe changed. And people can change. People can change. I'm a firm believer in that. But take your time. Talk to them. See where their head is at. And don't be afraid to bring up the stuff from the past. Or, if you choose to let go of the past, let go of the past. You know what I mean? Because some people are like, okay, yeah, gonna be a friend. And then every time they drop a grape on the floor. You remember that time you messed with my boyfriend? I just dropped a grape on the floor. Why are you tripping? Because you got some pent up frustration in there. She made you mad. Or he done made you mad. Or whatever, whoever it is. I don't know. But you know what I'm talking about. Any little thing can set you off. Try not to let it set you off, okay? So, having said that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it brought some, I hope you were able to get something out of it. I really, truly, truly do. Like I said, I see a therapist, child. I have to. I got issues. There's some things be going on with a girl. And I've learned that I put myself in some of those predicaments. You know what I mean? So, yeah. If y'all want me to talk more about that, I ain't gonna give y'all my business. But if y'all want me to talk more about seeing a therapist, that could be my next Dear Darkberry or whatever. And I can do that. So just comment below. Let me know if you like this. Give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it, honey. You know what? Whoever wrote the letter, share this video with them and see what they think. If y'all good like that, I don't know, that might set them off too. If I like, she don't know what she talking about. She don't know me. No, I don't know you. I don't. But I do know that you can't go around betraying people and expect everything to be okay. But people can change. And I don't know how long ago the betrayal has been. You know, it could have been in their teenage years and now they're grown women. I'm not sure. But you just never know. You just never know. So, again, guys, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and don't forget, if this is your first time visiting here at Darkberry 32, go ahead and subscribe. It's absolutely free. It's not going to cost you a thing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time Darkberry 32 puts up a video. Okay, guys? I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed bringing it to you. And again, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye. All right, guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay, guys, thank you again. Bye.